Hey guys, RadRadon here. Today is going to be a short and simple video, but I'll be showing you where to find copyright-free music to use in your videos through a built-in feature on YouTube. Let's get right into it. So a hugely overlooked feature built into YouTube is the audio library. You can either find this in the Creator Studio under the Create tab, right here, or you can open the link on screen or in the description. In the audio library, it contains audio to use in your videos. In this case, we'll be using it for music, but you can also use it for sound effects. You can search the audio library by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and the attribution needed to put inside your video. Let's try filtering it by the mood, and let's pick calm. Once you've found one that you like, you can head over to the right of the song and hit the download button. It'll start automatically, and you can just open it up and use it. On the right of the bar, it'll show what attributions are needed. You can find more details in the bottom. These attributions are almost always a credit inside the video description. Right here it says you're free to use this song in any of your videos, but you should put this in your description. So you just copy and paste this, and paste it in your description of your video. If there's no attribution listed on the right, or on the bottom here, it's as simple as downloading it and using it in your video. All of these songs are free to use in your videos copyright free, and I believe it's much safer than using YouTube channels like non-copyright sounds and non-copyright music, as these songs are provided by YouTube themselves. Since faulty copyright strikes and claims are the norms currently around YouTube, I'd really recommend you to use this, as it could really help reduce claims and strikes on your channel. This is only speculation for myself, but I'd like to believe that the music is much safer to use, as it's provided from YouTube themselves. And, as a small secret from me, this entire video's music was provided by the audio library also. Thanks for watching this quick informational video. If you have any feedback, make sure to leave it in the comments. And if you found this video informational or liked it in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. See ya.